Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial in which I will show you how to add a Volkswagen ID car in the Volkswagen app. So this video is going to be useful in particular to those that already have a Volkswagen ID vehicle or to the ones that want to buy one. Of course, this is also useful for people that are curious in general. To show you the process, I will demonstrate everything with my new vehicle, a Volkswagen ID.4 Pro 4Motion from 2024, end of 2024, and an iPhone. But what you see in this video should work for basically any ID car built from 2024 onwards. On my phone I already have the Volkswagen app from my previous car, a Volkswagen ID.3. So I deleted the vehicle in the app, but I kept the app on the phone because I knew that this car is coming. So now I'm going to take all the process from the very start to add the vehicle in the app and to use the app to control some remote functions and to check the status of the car. There is quite a big time frame in which I haven't made this process because all you have to do this is just once when you buy the car and you add it to the app. So I don't know how exactly the things are working in 2025, but it shouldn't be that hard. So let's jump on it. First, I want to make sure I have the Volkswagen app up to date. I will look here to see if there is any update. Yes, there is an update to do. Okay. Add vehicle. It asks for the VIN serial number. I can take a picture of it in the windshield, but I don't want to get out of the car. Instead, I sent the VIN here on WhatsApp and I sent it to myself that I can copy paste it. Before moving on, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see content like this more often. You know how the algorithm is, so they just want engagement in order to show more of what I do in your feed. So thank you for doing that. Data consent and so on. Here it tells me what services are available for free: Volkswagen Connect and Volkswagen Connect Plus. Okay, I agree to the terms and conditions and place the free order here. Good. And now I have instructions to see what to do on the car's screen. So I have to go to users here, users, login. I can't go to login. Let's see, maybe here, login, yes. So basically from this screen I go to settings, I go to main user information and I tap login. Now it tells me to scan the displayed code. Tap login. Done. Now it works and I got this QR code that I scan with the app. You can see it recognized it immediately. Confirm login. Yes. It changed the display theme on the edge of the infotainment screen. There are other interior color settings, for example. that's it. That seems to be it. App updates available. Let's see what the updates are. 5 system updates. Here I also got an email with the order for this VIN, for this car, date and so on. Services are active until 2027, so 2 years free. Okay, let's see what comes up in the Volkswagen app. Here it appears to me that everything has been done successfully. You see, I also have a lock-unlock function. That's a function that didn't exist at Volkswagen until, let's see what software version the car has, because I didn't look. ID software. So it's software 5.0. On previous software versions, including on my old ID.3, I didn't have this feature of locking the car or unlocking it from the app. It was one of the downsides of the models in ID range. But now, in new models, everything produced from 2024 onwards, more recently, have this function. This is all from my side. I hope this was useful. I hope this was interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment if you want to continue the talk in the comments section. Till we will meet again in another video. Thank you very much for watching if you have been, and see you soon. Bye bye.